Okay, chord spacing. Between 1 and 2 is A. Between 2 and 3 is B. Between 3 and 4 is C. Between 4 and 5 is D. Between 5 and 6 is E. A, B, C, D, and E. All right, this is the Serpent Bone by Andrew, also known as androshipus. It's a 6-strand core. For this type of setup, I'm going to show you a little trick I do, and it's this setup over here. It's so like that, it'll give it strength and it won't be that weak on the top of the bracelet. So what I do is basically go down B and D, and then I come up C. And then I'll split the chords up wherever. If I'm going down, I'll put it the other way. If I'm going up, do it like this, and then I'll just tighten it up. And that's how this is set up over here. Okay, so let's begin. We're going to grab a right chord. We're going to go down E, out through D, and you're going to want to keep it loose. We're going to go over and down through B, and then out through D again. And then we finalize it going down E. And I'll show you what it's going to look like. Okay, it's going to look something like that. All right, now the pulling, I'm going to start pulling out through D. I'm going to push it up, pull through D. Then I'm going to grab and pull the other side of D. So I first start with the bottom part of D, and then I finish off with the top part of D. Okay, and then we pull the slack. Okay, grab our left chord. We're going to go down A, out through B, down through D, out through B, and then we're going to go down A. Okay. Once again, push it up, and I'm going to start pulling out through B. Then I'm going to pull the top side of B. Push it, and then pull the slack. Okay, let's do a couple more. Right chord, down E, out through D, over, down B, and out through D again. Pull some of the slack. And then we finalize it by going down E with the chord. Okay, I'm going to pull bottom part of D, and the top part of D, push it up, and then pull the slack. Okay, left chord, down A, and out through B. I'm going to go down D, and out through B again. Okay, and then I'll put it down A. Now I'm going to pull again, bottom part of B, push it up, then the top part of B, and then I'll pull the slack. All right, let's do one more. Right chord, down E, out through D, down through B, once again, out through D, and then down through E. Okay, I'll push it up. I'm going to pull bottom part of D, and then I'm going to pull on the top part of D. And pull the slack. One more. Okay, left cord down A, out through B, down through D, out through B, like this. Sorry, B, and then down through A. Okay, I'm going to pull again. Bottom part of B, top part of B, and then pull the slack. Okay, so that's our bracelet. Do it to the end and have fun.